Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this video on how to make these beautiful flower crowns, or how I made them. So these have 3. I also made one of 5 for my daughter since she's the birthday girl. I wanted hers to be more like big. I would have made them all with 5, but I'm not going to have enough. I didn't order like enough, so I want to make them with 3 because most of the children that are coming are going to be like small. So I think this is enough. I made this one for my baby niece, and I just got a piece of black elastic and I stick 3 roses on it, and it stretches, as you can see. So yeah, you can also just do that. All I did was glue them on. Okay, so for starters, these roses, they are called, this is what the box looks like. Let me try and close it. It's Ling's Moment. You can find these on Amazon, and they were about $25 for 50 roses. I honestly truly recommend these because they look so real. They look very real. They're a foam. I don't know if you guys can see. They come like this. They're a foam. They're really soft. They're a foam, so it won't like, they won't like rip or anything like that. These are so beautiful. I fell in love with them. They also send you the leaves like this. And the headbands that I use are from Candy Girl. You can find these on Amazon as well. It's called Candy Girl headbands, like with teeth. And they came 36 headbands for $9.99. So, sorry about that. Okay, so you're gonna need scissors. You're gonna need roses of your choice. I'm gonna use the Ling's one on Amazon again. And you're gonna need a headband. You can also find cheaper roses at maybe like at Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, the dollar store. So these come like this. And I'm just gonna take any of the headbands, and I'm gonna pick out the roses. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make them of 3 because I'm just gonna make them of 3 so I can have more. So what I do is I grab the thing and I cut the stem off. You can like put these in the vase and they'll look real. So I cut it as close as possible. I'm gonna do that to 3 of the flowers. I'm filming this at 1 in the morning because my daughter's finally asleep and I found some time. This one's kind of like damaged a little bit, but I honestly don't think that. I feel like these are really good quality flowers. I fell in love with them. I was skeptical about the reviews, but so far it's been okay, so let me go ahead and take a seat. So what you're gonna do is, if you see this headband, it has little teeth at the bottom, so they're very good. For $10 you get 36 and they stay gripped on the head. I already put my toddler to run around and it hasn't fallen off of her. So in the middle of the headband, there's like a little dot right there, and that's where I figure out where to put my flower. So I'm gonna put this one that's damaged in the middle so that I can hold it. All I did was put a little bit of glue. This glue gun is like, my mom gave it to me, and it kind of spills a lot of glue out, like you have no control over it. So wherever you see the little dot in the headband, I try to use that as my middle, and you just hold it against the flower like that. Okay, so you hold it for a little bit. I've noticed that this glue gun gets the glue extremely hot so it stays wet for longer. I kind of like that because it doesn't get stuck like my other glue guns, but you know, okay, so you see that's good. So then you get another flour. This is very simple. You can get that, like, get the flowers at Dollar Tree, other type of flowers, mix them around. So then you just get that and you stick it like that. The same thing. I had my daughter try the one with 5 and the one with 3, and they both look beautiful. I honestly felt like the one with 3 is enough because they're so small that, you know, they're gonna, like, it's gonna fill up their head. And I just chose the one with 5 because it is her birthday, so I want her to, like, stand out. And you know, it just felt like I should fill hers up more with the hairstyle that I'm attempting. I'm trying not to wake her up. Okay, so this is how it looks. You see, it's already looking full and beautiful. And then this is the last one. So you pretty much do the same thing. You just grab it and you stick it on. I think I messed up a little bit, but you are gonna see a little bit of glue on the bottom. I honestly have no problem with that. I don't know, some people are very picky, but I have no problem with that because it's gonna be looking down anyway, like this is on your head. And I truly recommend these Candy Girl headbands from Amazon and these Leaves flowers. This video is not sponsored in any way. It's just what I bought. And I think the flowers were so worth it. You get 50 for $25. And the headbands you get 36 for $10. Look how beautiful these look. I'm going to try to make video of her birthday. I'm having a cocoa theme party. That's why I'm doing these. So let me show you. I'm planning to give one of these to all the little girls. And I'm not sure how many are attending. That's why I want to make as much as possible. Because, you know, we Hispanics have, like, huge parties. Like, we invite everyone. And, yeah, this is my daughter's. This one has 5 roses. I'm also making these little, like, marigolds. Trying to make these tissue marigolds. I'll make a video on this as well. So, yeah, guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. These flowers are beautiful. I recommend these so much, as well as the headbands. Make sure you guys choose the ones with teeth. They do not hurt at all. Maybe if it's a baby they will, since they have like, if they have like no hair. But for a toddler, you know, they should have hair, or, you know, enough hair maybe to where it won't hurt. But in case someone doesn't have enough hair, or they don't, you know, it's a smaller baby, you can always go with the elastic and they still look like the same. It's just you put it on their head and this stretches like really big. So yeah, guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you. I'll be coming back with more cocoa party videos, or cocoa party ideas, or whatever I used for my daughter's birthday. Thank you guys. Bye.